Remove the mattress from the Cosyfit compartment. Detach the Velcro straps from the bed base and compartment. Unstick the opening panel from the Velcro dot and clip the buckles back together. Zip up the opening panel. Loosen and undo all Velcro straps securing the front panel. Remove the front panel from the bed base, ensuring buckles and Velcro are free. Undo the Velcro straps securing the side and back panels. Remove both side panels from the bed base and lift off the back panel. Undo the Velcro straps securing the bed mesh and roll up the bed mesh. Release the brakes on the bed base and turn the bed base onto its side. Unplug the cable from each bed end. Loosen the bolts and remove the bed ends from the bed base.